So this is the catmint. It has pretty little purple flowers and slightly fuzzy leaves. It's similar to Russian sage, but if you look closely, you can see the difference between the flowers and the leaf shape and texture and structure. As you can see, most of the flowers have been spent, but there are some blooms still. But what happens at this point of the year is all the foliage from the spring kind of flops. It did just rain, so that helped. And new growth comes out the back or like from below. So this right here is all new, and it'll have some flowers too. You can pretty clearly see the difference between the new part and the old part. So it makes it easy to cut. You can just cut the stems off. I don't have my loppers on me, but just all the way down because there's new growth coming from between that. So yeah, it's kind of cool that it separates like that, because then you can see what to cut much more easily. Got my pruners. Smells like mint. This stem right here has rooted right here. So this is a whole new plant right here. See how the new growth stands separate from the old growth? Much cleaner. And again, you can see the new stuff here and the old stuff here. And you can just cut. You can see that some of the new growth is coming off the stems. This one's also planted. Can't pull it out. Well, I can pull it out, but I'll just leave it. So you can cut above that and leave the rest to grow. Might as well do some weeding. You can see this old stem is way thicker than the new stems. I'm not being very precise because I know it's going to grow again, and I'm going to have to do this in the spring or late fall more carefully. Oh, it's already cut. There it is so far. There. I'm going to leave this old branch only because it still has some flowers for the pollinators to enjoy. But otherwise, look at the difference. A little clump again. This is an old one too. You could just cut the old branches right here. There we go. It looks kind of funny, but tomorrow I might cut that last one off.